Within pWidgets HMI, you can send files to your machine. Each tile represents different machines and/or actions that can be taken. To send a file to your CNC, start by clicking on your machine, and then clicking the tile called Send to CNC. Then, a pop-up window will appear. In this window, you can search for the file you want to send, or scroll through the files. Once you find the file you want to send, highlight it, and click the green Continue button, or the right arrow next to the file name in the row. You can now preview your file to confirm it's the correct one. Click on the green OK. You should now see a pop-up window with a progress bar. After the progress bar closes, you can go to your machine, and your file should now be loaded or be loading into it. You can click the Home button to return to your machine display.